Hey guys, what is up? So I could get this out of the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. This is the soil I'm using, the Mother Earth expertly crafted. This is the Cups groundswell version. Hey guys, what is up? So today we're doing something that doesn't really make any sense at all. I'm gonna be planting peppers, and doesn't really make any sense, but I thought it would be fun. As you can see, I have a lot of houseplants. If you are new to my channel or new to seeing my houseplant videos,
hi, I have a lot of houseplants.
I actually haven't posted a whole lot of houseplanty videos on my YouTube channel, but I do. A spider. I'm planting peppers. Basically, I got myself a crap ton of pepper plants, and the surprise is I'm gonna kind of surprise pot plant them, as in when I go to eat peppers, I'm not gonna know if it's a ghost pepper or a little sweet pepper. So I think that sounds fun. I do have labels for a couple of them, but for the most part, the ladies took the labels off, because it had the price on them, and that's just kind of what happens sometimes when you go to get plants, I suppose. So, oh my god.
Why did I get so many pepper plants?
What the? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why didn't I get 10? I've got 9 pepper plants, so I'm gonna see how many I can fit in this big white pot first. So here's a tag, Fireball, 75 days. That sounds like a fun time. And he already has some pretty decent sized. So I think I'm probably gonna be able to fit 4 pepper plants in this big pot. And then maybe I'll put some in one of the yellow. We're just gonna go for it. So this is the first one. I feel like I'm going to plant. You guys grow, wow, look, he's got some healthy roots. Do you guys have like an indoor container garden-y situation? Do you grow peppers inside? If so, give me some tips, because I'm probably doing everything wrong. But I just thought it would be kind of fun. Like, peppers are fairly inexpensive. If I mess this up, I guess it's okay. Honestly, I don't think this video is very relevant to anybody. I don't know why I decided to film it. I got a bunch of pepper plants and I was like, you know what? I might as well utilize this and turn this into a video. Because, I was just going to do this by myself anyways. Have a little surprise pepper garden. So maybe if one person decides they want to watch this, then I guess it's worth it, you know? At least I got to sit with one person and okay, 1 pepper plant done. So this one was the Mexican sunrise one, so I guess I know what that one is, but I think I'm gonna plant him in there too. I don't know how big these get. Bug, is that a thrips? What do thrips look like? Oh my god, where's my phone? Do thrips go on pepper plants? Okay, not a thrips. We're okay. If you guys know anything about this, because I'm literally I was bored and I decided I wanted to grow lots of peppers in my house. Do peppers, so I live in Montana, if I keep these in a bright room, will they grow year round for me, or will they just die, at the end of the season? If you know, please let a girl know, because I'd like to know. Charge. I should make this into a ASMR video. ASMR potting peppers, but in a way that I won't know what they are when I go to pick them. Maybe I'll just have to make an ASMR eating the peppers surprise fashion, not knowing what they are. Wow, one of these peppers smells really hot, and I don't even know. It must be one that already has a pepper growing on it, right? I don't know. What have you guys been up to? I have been picking up so many weird hobbies. I'm going to be filming a update video where I think I'm gonna plant, pot up some of my new houseplants I got. So maybe I shouldn't chat too much in this one. What planting videos would you guys like to see from me? So I have to do a plant tour, obviously. I'm gonna plant this one. This has a tag on it, but it says carrot, and this is not a carrot. So, don't know if they're supposed to be green when they're done. I think, I don't know. Oh, it's the roots that smell like spicy pepper. Pepper plants' roots smell like pepper? That's pretty cool. Watch my update on my indoor pepper garden will be. Surprise! All my pepper plants died. Could you guess that was gonna happen? I'm getting quite excited about this. Oh, this one does have a tag, but I won't remember what it is when it's in there, so we're just gonna throw that away and act like we didn't see that. All right, I think this pot can fit one more pepper plant, which I have 3. But this one, I think it's gonna go in his own yellow pot. So, I don't know what this is. No, I have 4. What is this? I don't know what this is, but it's a pepper. It's okay. This one is just gonna go in here, and then we're gonna call it good for this pot. Okay, I'm excited to show you guys this. These are my pepper plants, but only some of them because I got way too many. 1 done. Now we're gonna do, oh jeez. This one, should we give him his very own pot? Or, I wish I knew what this was. Should I give him his own big yellow pot? If I give him his own pot, then I could just plant these 2 together. That looks kind of dinky, but that might have to be what happens. But then I have 3 separate pots of peppers that I have to find a bright light spot for. Is that possible? All right. Peppers are planted. I am gonna clear off a spot for them and I'll show you where I ended up putting them. So hopefully you can see that, but it's like kind of, there's my pepper plants. They're behind my like big propagation box thing right now, but there they are. South facing window, east facing window, right? I think so.